Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be doing a thrifting try-on haul, so if you want to watch that, then keep on watching. So first we have these lighter wash Levi's in a 550 fit, and here's how they look on. They're kind of just like a baggy jean, but not too baggy. It's kind of just like the perfect amount of baggy, and you can pair these jeans with really any cute little top, and I was already wearing one that I thought kind of went with it. Then I have this plain gray zip up that you can just throw on, and it's really comfortable. And here it is on. It's not anything crazy, I just thought it was comfortable and kind of cute to throw on. And this is a floral American Eagle tank top, and it's like fitted at the back, and it's super cute. And here it is on, and it kind of just looks like how you might expect it, but I still think it's really cute with some jeans shorts like I show here. And then this is just a basic black loose fitting t-shirt, and this is just a great basic to have, and you can do a bunch of different ways of tucking it to make it look extra cute. And here I just tied a knot at the front. And now I just have these black Adidas athletic shorts that have the stripes at the sides. And here I just have that whole black outfit, but you can just pair it with any loose fitting t-shirt, and I think it'd look really cute. And next I have this cable knit zip up in like a off-white color, and the brand is St. John's Bay, which I'm pretty sure is actually a JCPenney brand, and it's super comfortable and a cute way to style an outfit in the winter or the fall. But I definitely wouldn't pair it with this outfit. And now we have this dolphin tank top that is originally from Urban Outfitters, but I found this one in the kids section, so make sure to check in the kids section for some cute clothes. And I also really like the light blue trim on the neckline and the armholes of this top, and I just think it's a really nice little touch. And here's another basic, which is just this white Gap tank top, and I actually didn't have a white tank top before this, so I just think it's a great layering piece, or even to wear on its own for the summer. And these last two items I actually got at the Goodwill bins, and this is just this Champion sweatpants, and this sweatpants has the Champion logo going down your leg, and they're also super comfortable. And then I found this super cool vintage Disney sweatshirt, and this one has some really nice colors, and it fits really well and is super comfortable as well. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!